Hey guys, it's Rocky again. Welcome back to an unboxing video. So the internet's probably full of these right now. They've been dropping over the last few days, maybe a week or so. ZX Spectrum Next computer Kickstarter 2 has finally shipped, and it's mine. So I initially backed this in August of 2020. Obviously the world went to pot not much long after that. I think initially they were talking about March of 2021, and now we're December 2023, and it's here. So yeah, so I've already taken it out of its outer casing, which you've probably seen pictures of with a funny little thing on it. I've removed the cellophane, and then I stopped the camera because I realised that the damn thing wasn't recording. So let's try this again. Let's see if I can get it to break the seal. I haven't actually. Here we go. Ooh, open the top. That's nice. The machine itself. Two joystick ports on the front, power, expansion. One of these is power, a USB power, keyboard, mouse, audio, digital video. I know that does come off. I'm going to start. It's got feet. One of the sides has got SD card, reset, drive, SD. I know that SD card definitely does come out, but it's not spring loaded, I don't think. Oh, well, there's a micro SD card coming out. Oh, there's the whole thing, and that's branded Spectrum Next. So there we go. Nice. Power supply. So with a power switch, with a, let's turn a little focus off. I'll just focus this in, guys. Let's turn it back on. This is a, for goodness sake. Right, there we go. Sinclair branded. Power switch. 9 volt at 2 amps. Pretty much have connected to most of the world. Next we've got our quick start guide. I'll tell you about the power. Let's set it up. Some of the next OS stuff. And I think this was another one of the stretch goals. An actual bring down manual. Look at that. When a manual was a manual. Don't do that anymore, do they? Right, I'm looking at the next Kickstarter just now to see what stretch goals we got. Campaign, because there was a ton of stretch goals they ended up beating. So this is the plus model. This isn't an accelerated. It's an early backer. I think I was back on number 9 or 10. I was kind of quite early in. Demos, taking the feature, team, talked about the partners you loved. Here we go, stretch goals. So here we go. Right, first stretch goal. All Next will get upgraded to 2 meg of RAM. This is as much memory as you ever need. Yep, so it's got 2 meg of RAM in it. 700k full print. The next printed manual is upgraded to a colour manual. We can brag about. Yep. This is colour. Yeah, it's colour in there. Okay, very nice. 900k. Night. Full demo to get. So a game, Dawn of the Night. SD cards up. 1 million SD cards upgraded from 16 GB. Accelerate gets a new distro and the PS2. All right. A game, Double Trouble. We 1.2 million. They got a power switch. 1.5 million head over heels, which is not yet finished, but is damn close. There's some drama around that. I'm not going to get involved in that. So there you go. That's where we are. ZX Spectrum Next unboxing. Very nice piece of kit. I'm going to try and put it back in the box. I'll be powering that up later on today and having a play with that. Just thought I'd do a quick unboxing, more for myself than anybody else. Sexy piece of kit. There is a lot of them on eBay right now. If you want one, please don't buy it on eBay. They're really expensive. People are like really gouging prices on it. I'll put this back in the right way. Don't. Just wait. There's a third Kickstarter coming. But there you go. ZX Spectrum next unboxing. Thanks for watching, guys. See you soon. Bye bye.